Hey, what's up? This is Shetty here. Hope you are doing great today. In today's video, you're going to learn about another uncomplicated design tool called as ClickDesign. Is ClickDesign better than Canva? I do not know that yet. I recently started using ClickDesign and I'm using it for very specific reasons. I still use Canva for most of my designs and ClickDesign for a few other reasons, which I'm going to talk about in a while. Okay, and I am also planning to test ClickDesign with different kinds of designs in the next few days. So whenever I test each of these designs, I'm going to upload it in the channel so that you know how ClickDesign works, whether it is good enough for you, and whether you can use it for your work or for your business. Okay, so this video is more of a overview of ClickDesign. I'm going to show you how the interface looks. I'm going to walk you through it just to give you an understanding of what are the things that are available in ClickDesign. And after that, I'm going to create a playlist once this video is done, and I'm going to add videos on how to create different designs using ClickDesign so that you can check them out. Okay, so make sure if you would like to know how ClickDesign works and the different tutorials that I'm going to upload in the next few days in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow my channel. So let me show you how it looks. Let me take you there. Okay, here we are. So this is how the ClickDesign dashboard looks like. So when you look at the home dashboard, these are the multiple options which are there. The first thing is it says what will you design, and you can start your design from here. You can start creating a logo, box shot, all of these things. You can start from scratch, or you can look at all the different templates that are there. Okay, and they have this, you can join their private Facebook group, and this is their tutorials. Now if I scroll down, these are the different templates which gets updated every single day. Every time I see there are some different designs over here, so they keep updating their templates. I'm pretty sure of it now, and these are the latest logos and latest box shots and latest covers as well. Now here is the thing. The reason I started using ClickDesign is for these box shots and for cover, for these mockups, because these things are not available in Canva at all. They have mockups of t-shirts and mugs and phones and monitor tabs and things like that, but they don't have mockups of product boxes, which are very useful when you're building your business on the internet. You want to create a product mockup box of your course or any of your digital product. Okay, so it becomes very useful, and covers for your ebooks and stuff like that, very useful. You don't get this option in Canva at all, and if you go to any of these freelance websites and get it done through a freelancer, then it will cost you money and time. If you have this software, it is just a piece of cake. It is very easy to do. Not just that, you can list yourself as a freelancer and even sell your service creating these boxes, covers and all these things, and start earning an additional source of income. Okay, so that's that. And here are all the templates which are available. Same thing what you saw over here for logos, box shots, all these things. So if I click on graphics, it will show me all the ready-made graphics that I can use in my designs. I can just keep scrolling and keep looking for something that I like, and if I like something, I can use the template directly, or I can let me add something. Okay, maybe something like this. You see this heart symbol, so I can just left click on it and it will go to my favorites over here, so I can use it in the future anytime I want. Okay, so this is the graphics template, and then you have the logo templates. You have multiple logos. Every day it gets updated, so if you like something, you can click and start using the template, change the name, make edits, change colors. You can do all those things. And then box shots. This is one of my favorite. There are multiple angles of box shots which is available. If I click on start from scratch, right, say box, you see this, all these different things, which is so cool. It's not you will not find this in any software out there. like except for Photoshop, of course. But one of the major reason I started using ClickDesign is because of this. Okay, because it saves a lot of time, money, and I don't have to break my head to be very precise and things like that using Photoshop. Can do this. And when I'm teaching entrepreneurs uncomplicated designing, this is an uncomplicated way to create product mockups. Don't you think? Let me know in comments, okay? And this is covers. This is where you can create great looking ebook covers for your lead magnets and things like that. And then we have sheets, devices. This is another great feature. You can use any of these templates, download it as PNG, and create a product bundle with phones, tabs, and use it on your landing page, or maybe when you're selling your course, products, and things like that. Bundles like these. Right? Here everything is added. The ebook, the PC, tab, phone, and all other stuff over here. Okay, there's a lot of things. You can just click on use template and start editing it. Okay, and then we have my designs. See, my designs this is the place where all of your designs will be there. Like you can see, I haven't started using it properly. I was just testing it. So I'll be creating each of these things in the coming days, and I will be uploading it. Okay, so that I want to test everything over here and see how it works, whether it can save your time in the future when you're creating designs, my time as well, and whether it's really uncomplicated way to create designs. Okay, that is that. And then if I go to favorites, as I told earlier, all my favorites will be here, which I selected in templates. Custom, if you want to create custom bundle packs and things like that, you can do it over here. Okay, marketplace, this is an interesting feature. Now what I've noticed is, when compared to Canva, ClickDesign do not have so many templates like Canva. They do, but not as much as Canva. I'm pretty sure of it. And recently they have added this marketplace, which I feel is one of the way to get more templates and more graphics and things like that from the members of ClickDesign. It's a great thing. It's a great initiative, and I'm pretty sure as we go, as ClickDesign goes through its own software journey, I'm pretty sure there will be more and more designs, templates, and other creations which will be uploaded by members over here. And if you like something, you can download it for free, or if somebody has put a price tag to it, then you have to pay for it. You can also upload your own designs over here, and whenever, just like Canva creator or Canva contributor, you can upload your own designs, and whenever somebody downloads it, you get a commission out of it. So that is another additional income source that you can create in ClickDesigns. Okay, and this is where all the tutorials are. If you are not sure of how to use certain features in ClickDesign, you can come here and you can search for it, or you can check it over here. Okay, so that is that. It's a very simple dashboard, not too many things, and very, very easy to use the way it is. Okay, and I'm going to create a series of tutorials just on ClickDesign to help you understand how it works, and then if it fits, then you can go ahead and start using ClickDesign as well. And if you're an entrepreneur creating courses and all that, just close your eyes and just sign up to ClickDesign. You need it. Okay, you don't have to outsource for mockups and all. It's already there. All right, and the most important thing, let me take you there. This one. So as you can see, these are the different plans that ClickDesign has. I have only upgraded to a maximizer, and I haven't taken any of these plans. The plan starts at $37 per month, but you can upgrade your plan to $47 and get a lifetime access to ClickDesign, which means you don't have to pay $37 monthly. And then this is I think another $90, and you get access to all this box shot, extended, and all these different features. I wanted these features, that is why I upgraded. And after that, I haven't upgraded it because I didn't feel the need of doing it because I use Canva extensively. Okay, and unless Clickdesign fits that place or replaces Canva and makes it easier for me to use than Canva, then I might think of upgrading to agency. But right now, no, I prefer Canva, and I will create images in Canva. Even for box shots, I create images in Canva and move it over here, and then create box shots. It's just, I find it a little easier for myself. Okay, so these are the different things, and each of these upgrade has a cost attached to it. And if you're looking to upgrade, if you're using Canva, then I would suggest if you upgrade till Maximizer, it is more than enough. You don't need any of this. However, if you feel that you need any of these features specifically, then go ahead and upgrade. Okay, I wanted box shots and mockup, that is why I upgraded till here. Okay, so that's about it. These are the different pricing options, and as you go higher and higher, I think the price also keeps going higher and higher. When I hit on upgrade, I will get to know what the price is. Okay, anyways, I'll drop the link for Clickdesigns below this video. You can check it out yourself, and it is the sales page of Clickdesigns. You can check all the features that they have, what do they have to offer, and how good it is. Check it out. This is the link. I'll also drop the link below in the description. That's about it. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and just a reminder, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you are updated whenever I'm uploading any tutorials on Clickdesign. I'll be doing that in the next few days, so make sure you do that. Okay, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, this is Shetty here from Design Clans. Have a wonderful day. Bye.